The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, located in the Indian state of Gujarat. The statue is the world's tallest statue, with a height of 182 meters, 597 feet, and is located on a river island facing the Narmada Dam, also known as the Sardar Sarovar Dam. The statue was designed by Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar and was unveiled by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 31st of October 2018, which is also the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. The project was initiated by the government of Gujarat in 2010 and was completed with the help of the central government in 2018. The Statue of Unity is not just a tribute to Sardar Patel, but also serves as a tourist attraction and an engineering marvel. It is equipped with a high-speed elevator that can take visitors to an observation deck at a height of 153 meters, offering panoramic views of the surrounding area. The statue also has a museum and exhibition hall that showcase the life and achievements of Sardar Patel. The project has been the subject of some controversy, with critics arguing that the cost of the statue and associated infrastructure was too high, and that the funds could have been better spent on other social and economic development projects. However, supporters of the project argue that it serves as a symbol of national unity and pride, and will boost tourism and development in the region. The construction of the Statue of Unity began in October 2013, and it took about 4 years to complete. The construction of the statue was undertaken by Larsen Toubro, Lt., a major Indian multinational construction company, with the help of several other Indian companies. The statue is made of bronze and stands on a base made of reinforced concrete. The bronze panels were cast in China and were transported to India by sea. The panels were then assembled on site by a team of workers. The statue required a large amount of infrastructure development, including a bridge connecting the island to the mainland, a highway leading to the statue, and a large visitors center. The project also involved the relocation of several villages in the area to make way for the infrastructure. The total cost of the project was estimated to be around 2,989 crore rupees, approximately $430 million, which included the construction of the statue, the infrastructure development, and the installation of various facilities for visitors. The funding for the project came from both the central and state governments of India, as well as from public and private sector companies. The construction of the Statue of Unity faced several challenges, some of which include environmental concerns, the construction of the statue and associated infrastructure, potential impacts on the local environment, including the Narmada River and surrounding forests. The project faced criticism from environmentalists who were concerned about the impact on the natural habitat of the region. Funding. The cost of the project was a major challenge, with critics arguing that the funds could have been better spent on other social and economic development projects. The project required significant investment from both the central and state governments, as well as from public and private sector companies. Technical challenges. The construction of a statue of such a large size presented several technical challenges, including the casting and transportation of the bronze panels and the assembly of the statue on site. Political opposition. The project faced opposition from some political parties and groups, who saw it as an attempt by the ruling government to promote a particular ideology or to gain political mileage. Despite these challenges, the construction of the Statue of Unity was successfully completed, and it has since become a major tourist attraction, and a symbol of national pride in India. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue, with a height of 182 meters, 597 feet. The statue is located on a river island facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River in the Indian state of Gujarat. The statue is a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, an Indian statesman and independence activist who played a key role in the country's struggle for independence. The statue was designed by Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar, who has created several other notable sculptures and monuments in India. The statue required 210,000 cubic meters of cement and concrete for its construction. The bronze panels used to create the statue weigh around 1,850 tons. The statue can withstand wind speeds of up to 180 km/h and earthquakes measuring up to 6.5 on the Richter scale. The observation deck at the top of the statue can accommodate up to 200 visitors at a time, and offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. The statue has a museum and exhibition hall that showcase the life and achievements of Sardar Patel. The project to build the Statue of Unity was completed in October 2018, and it was inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 31st of October 2018, which is also the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. The Statue of Unity is twice the height of the Statue of Liberty in New York, which is 93 meters, 305 feet, tall. The statue is visible from a distance of around 7 kilometers. The construction of the statue required the work of around 3,400 laborers, including sculptors, engineers, and workers. The statue has become a major tourist attraction, with around 2.9 million visitors in the first year of its opening. The statue has been included in the list of the 100 most significant world tourist attractions by the Time magazine. The statue has been featured in several movies and TV shows, including a scene in the Netflix series Sense8. The statue has a unique lighting system that uses over 5,500 LED lights to illuminate it at night. The end. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.